Easy woman is a mosaic in a quamono. Imana one thing obuna yeme some often they buy during election is that na election where they will think that they are wise. After election hanakulu they buy. Time has changed mbuya pata wene eme ihesen and woro nyana afage or because you have the right to do what you want to do. Oka haga fego. To start telling ourselves the truth upon debo ayaputa makene kesi agwa nwa yezuku from beginning. Why am I saying this? Somebody like Andy Kenneth Okonkwo Andy were mara na film. He has said a lot of things because no chokwa article against his brother Peter Obi, which means now all he said concerning Peter Obi in before 2023 election will competence because I want to say I'm one Kenya bulon wake. I'm one Kenya bulon wake. Ya hapota kucha A today. Sino biki ekwechi. Gina mmadu nwe good problem. For you to know that now you are really a man and that you are, nepotago that stand for the truth, that you are old enough to know what you want. It's better for you to walk away from any conversation that will bring up that thing now. Just like Peter Obi Vice President Mborono then. I need to know why Peter Obi won 2023 election. Which him, Kenneth Okonkwo, also admitted. Just that Peter Obi did not follow Ogonamba, as we may expect. That is why even his vice president then walked away from him. We put away my videos in Peter Obi should have formed his own political party. Keta. Rather than it bagale from pillar to post. And what party or abata Keta that doesn't have spy for APC. Which even APC no one kaka yemechache jiafa. With some of the room on nano. APC yemechache jiafa. Because people on APC today, top people from APC today will eventually decamp too. How you decamp? APC ye shake. APC ye shake. That will bring them to change their name. Remember this video. Remember this video. Because one day you play, say, Onya kukwale hedo kwa May 2026. May 2026. Kwenye kuli hedo toa. Na so Andy. Esi kido sa Andy. Kenneth Okonkwo and Vice President Peter Obi. But I would rather choose Vice President Peter Obi because ever since Sopota, Osilo lono ya. Emmanuel no Osilo nya. Emmanuel no condemn wayene na abuzno weze election mana. Kenneth Okonkwo has literally, Paliandibo as a whole, just because Nena Aquatico Nazo. I'm not Atiku Buptelego because the only problem Tinubu Yemen at this election by Atiku. Not even Peter, but that is why I say Peter B should withdraw. Should go back. Because they would like to make sure I had disgrace his political career. Just because they want to get at the north. Peter B, this election now, it will take the grace of God Peter Obi for second position. Despite they will make sure that in a hurry they call you below that all potos are say which I made a video about it. Say, take what just Nenekeneno from Mbu Jukunazo election now. Nenekeneno onwego onye Igbo ba second, onye Igbo bujitanike ba second. Next election about fourth or about fifth. Because they will make sure Kidemwera more has to come out again. Oyaneme. Na Buhari zozo Atiku na zozo because na ha nwere target on ground and ha nwere ndị na-apompo ego. So then video nwanne nwoke gwa Kenneth Okonkwo over Peter Obi or nothing. Kodikwan.
I'm sure many of you have seen the video where our notable spin doctor alleged that Obi is going to lose the whole vote in the East because there is a saying in Igbo language, Somadina, that is an abomination to say Obi or nothing. Man, these guys are losing their mind. So they are ready to twist history. They are also ready to distort our tradition and our saying. Somadina simply means, let me not be the only cock that crow. So the truth is, Obi is not stopping even the man saying that trash from going to run. The question is not to get into the race. The real issue is he going to win? Is Obi stopping anybody from the East from getting into the race and running for president? Obi has not done that. Obi has not even said it is me or no other person. But Obi's supporters, who happen to be close to 90% of the people from that region, are the ones saying Obi or never. I know these people are so disconnected with the reality. They live in another world, some kind of sugar candy world, where their imagination is what rules that universe. That's where some of them live. They are not in tune with reality, so they can say whatever thing they want to say, right? Now I hear them distorting the history that happened in 79 to 83. In 79 to 83, the Igbos said it's Azikiwe or nothing. They voted en masse for the MPP. That was a fact. Mbakwe blew away respected Dr. Wakamokore, Chief Wakamokore, a known son, a respected legal, mind from the East, from Arochukwu. Mbakwe defeated him with another guy who is so prominent, Dr. Sylvester Ugo, the governor of Biafran Central Bank. These are very prominent people. But Ndi Igbo wanted their own people. Ndi Igbo know who they want. Imo voted Mbakwe en masse and blew away Wakamokore and Sylvester Ugo. In Anambra State, then Anambra State, Chief Jim Wobodo defeated Ono. It's on record. So the East, voted MPP en masse. Now, after that election, the MPN won most, but did not have enough to form a government. And there was need for an accord. That is actually what is the MPN-MPP accord. Those parties agreed to form a government so that they could elect leaders. So the MPP and the MPN, agreed on certain, power sharing, model. That power sharing model brought Edwin Omezueke as the Speaker of House of Rep, with Dr. Joseph Wires from Cross River State then, an MPM man, as the Senate President. Now, our brother, our beloved brother, a daddy, okay, Dr. Alex Ekweme, peace be upon his soul, was Shagari's Vice President. Don't forget, Alex Ekweme even ran to be Anambra State Governor, and he lost at the primaries. These are truth. So, as at now, it is Obi or never. If after the presidential election and no clear winner emerges and there is need for an accord, two parties coming together to form a government, that is what parties discuss. It's not what individuals discuss. This man here is lying and presenting it as though it's a decision to be taken by a presidential candidate. These spin doctors know how to lie. They know how to distort history. They know how to spin things upside down and make it look so fancy. I've always said, when you listen to them, you want to dance. But when you look at the content, you find out how empty and how deceptive they are. They're not telling you the truth. It is Obi or never. Obi will pick up 90% of the vote coming out of the Eastern region. When I mean Eastern region, I'm not just saying the East. I'm saying the former Eastern region, which is South without Edo and Delta, and the present East, which is the 5 states of the 5 states of the Igbo-speaking people. Yeah, Obi will win it. Obi will win in Delta. Obi will even win in Edo, what used to be Western region. Obi will win it. There is no doubt about it. All of you are losing your mind, because you people are shaking. It is Obi or never. Man, that's the symbol of success. The symbol of NDC. Let's go get it done, bro.